Yeah. Hit me with that YouTube intro though.
Oh.
What's that? Let's see. Tell the people who we're working on.
Alright. Battery relocation, ABS relocation. Because as you see, I don't have really a small hot side. And it's resting right on the cable on my brake lines. So I can't make any boost. Without, you know, burning shit up. So, all that's going in the trunk.
What we tried first? What did we try before?
Yeah. We tried that. That didn't really work. Little heat shield.
So, upgraded the turbo. Turbo's rested on the brake lines, the ABS lines. We tried that heat shield, burning through the heat shield like crazy. Battery's right there. It ain't working.
Not working. So,
we gotta move it.
Gotta move it. Didn't want to do it, but gotta do it. So, oh well. Intercooler pipe gotta come off. Strut tower bar gotta come off. Take the intake off. And then start from there, I guess.
Yeah, and then we'll kind of follow the brake lines, the ABS lines, all the way back to over there. And then we should be good. Take the battery out, pop that back.
Let's do it.
Try to paint.
So, this is what I did. Got a wire crimper for the battery cables. That's not bad. But got the nice lines for the ABS relocation for the finish line. Everything's like nice and labeled.
Alright.
We got wire looms for the interface. Everything is nice. 250 amp circuit breaker. Distribution block. And then a nice little battery box I got from Summer Racing. So I got the little kit, box, cables and all that together. Alright, everything's off. ABS batteries out. Oh, why, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, so the battery cable, we're gonna run through here. There's a rubber helmet, a little battery plate, I guess. And so we're gonna run it all the way through. We're gonna run it under here because there's already wiring straight to the back. Back seat. It's already out. We do have to remove this upper part, but to do that, all you have to do is there's 3 bolts here and then one on that side over there. Remove those and then the seat just comes out and then there's a hole. I'll show you after, but yeah. To remove the upper rear seats, it's not terrible. Ugh. There's 3 hooks and you kind of just have to lift up and then pull it up. And yeah, it's not bad at all. There was a 4th screw, so there's 4 bottom screws into it. And it's out. And then the hole into the trunk is right there. So, not bad. It's where we want it, right? But I'm trying to figure out how this tie down situation. I know for sure this is a drill it down. I'm just getting that off the bottom. But how are we gonna launch the box on this side? 2 blocks of wood to create more surface. Yeah, I don't know. Able to get all the brake lines off. You can see they're labeled front right, front left, rear right. All that's left is the 2 that lead directly to the master cylinder, which is this top one right here and then this bottom one back here. And that's pretty much it for the brake lines, and then we could just move the whole block where the battery used to sit. So we got a new situation for the battery. Figure that out. So we got 2 blocks of wood to create the floor, so the battery box actually has something to sit on. And I'm gonna utilize these little straps that come on the little side panel. I'm gonna just buy new straps that are longer with a different buckle on them, and then completely strap the box down so it's not flopping everywhere. And should be a good situation. All right, we got battery cable through this grommet right here, and where it runs is it goes down by the little fuse box down here, and then kind of see it, but yeah, it goes up there. So we put up all the side paneling, so we're gonna tuck it in here. Had to get this loose a bit. Same thing down here, all the way into the trunk. And then right here. So back here, I want to get my little 250 amp circuit breaker. Probably put it, I don't know, up here, down here somewhere. But that's what we're at so far. So when relocating the ABS, you have this harness that's connected to it, and you do have to trim back on the wire loom just a little bit, just enough to like get it to where you want to have it sit, whatever. But yeah, disconnecting this little hose, there is brake fluid, so be careful. I did spill a little bit, you know. Let's go, fuck it, whatever. What I'm doing to mount the ABS, I'm gonna obviously put it where the battery used to be, but I'm gonna reuse the battery tray, and because the unit just sits in real nice. So I'm gonna just drill a hole. I cut that edge off to get away from the hot side of the turbo, and just mount it up. It sits real nice. This is how it's gonna sit. It's real nice and tucked away in the corner. So obviously I have the flexible line, so it won't be an issue. And like I said, cut the wire loom, and it just sits in real fucking nice right there, like clean. And then I just got trim battery cable, get the little distribution block over here, and then hopefully we can start this bitch. Alright, day 2. Last night we were just working, didn't film any of it, but we got the ABS located. It's a little wiggly, but it works. All the lines are ran pretty clean, not too bad. We got the distribution block up here, just a little screw, and then so now we're working on the box. So what we went with is top. We have the positive, just the top corner, and then the ground cable through the bottom. And the ground cable we're gonna ground to the screw right here, since it'll be under the carpet and everything. And then obviously we have the circuit breaker, and then this is where the positive is gonna go. So now we're gonna test fit all the like carpeting and all that, and then see where we need to drill our holes. Hopefully we don't have to cut too much, but that's the plan at least. Alright, we got the ground cable. Like I said, it was like a bolt under here. Got it ran through all the way. Got the little distribution block. Little focus. Wait, who knows? It's in there, it's in there. I did have to cut a little bit of the bracket for the cable, but she's in. About to get the carpet in, and yeah, hopefully we don't have to. I don't think we have to cut anything, so looking good. Everything buttoned up. Got the ground up. Wire was like inch or two short, so you know, improvise real quick, but it works. everything actually turns on. Real nice. Oh, my keys. Everything. Oh yeah. Chilling. Oh yeah. My little ghetto gauge pod setup, but it works. So now, what we got left? Now we're just gonna bleed the ABS system, make sure everything's cool, plug everything in, and send it. Oh, we're gonna put this turbo blanket on. We got a real moto blanket that we're gonna throw on now. It actually got room, it'll fit. Gonna look real nice in there. She buttoned all up. We might have stripped the fitting, so we can make shit for now. Should be coming this week, I don't know. But I got the blanket on. Catch can is being routed, pretty easy. ABS relocated, nice and beautiful. She starts, she runs. Everything's good. God. That's what the trunk is looking like right now. Nice and it's clean. It's a big ass box, but it's clean. Like, I don't even have this strap yet, but this bitch not going nowhere. So yeah, not much of a walkthrough really, but yeah, everything's back together, nice and clean. So that's it. Oh, that's it for the battery relocation, ABS relocation. Not the greatest video, don't get me wrong, but it's something. So if y'all want to learn more on what I actually did to my car, let me know down in the comments. I actually have the LS100s and all that stuff. Let me know, but that's it for this video. Deuces.